Please like and subscribe our channel of IUS Schools Pokhara Campus on YouTube. You can also find us on Facebook with same title. So don't forget to press the bell icon to ensure timely notifications of our updates.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Safir Ahmad Khan. Today I will tell you about the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. First of all, I will tell you about the solar eclipse. Solar eclipse are like this. This is the moon, this is the sun, and this is the earth. When the moons come between the sun and the earth, the moon causes smaller shadow. If we cannot see the sun, so it is called the total solar eclipse. If we can see a part of the sun, so it is called partial of solar eclipse. Now I will tell you about the lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse are like this. This is the earth, this is the sun, and these are the phases of moon. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, the earth causes great shadow on the moon. If the earth covers the moon completely, so it is called the total lunar eclipse. If it covers it partially, so it is called partial of lunar eclipse. Thank you.